Your diesel engine that is running rough or misfiring might be suffering from injectors gummed up with stiction or other debris. You can also have a mechanically failing single or multiple injectors. Stiction needs to be treated with Diesel Extreme to clean out the fuel system. After this step has been taken and your truck continues to run rough, you'll need to investigate either electrical issues or more serious injector issues. Here's some additional information to consider. If your truck runs rough when cold but clears up when the engine is warm, you have a stiction issue in your injectors. It is chemically the same thing as the stiction you will find in oil. Treating with Diesel Extreme will clear out all the stiction in your injectors. If your truck runs rough only at idle, a stiction issue is still likely, so treat the problem the same way as mentioned before with Diesel Extreme. If your truck is running rough all the time, it could be a little more complicated. This symptom can mean that there is an injector that is broken beyond the point of any product cleaning it. An electrical issue, such as broken wiring or an injector coil open, will affect your truck in a similar way. You'll need a digital multimeter to properly diagnose this. The hardest issue to diagnose is an intermittent miss. It may be best to take your vehicle to a professional, depending on how good you are with the vehicle's electrical system. If you have any questions, feel free to contact one of our diesel experts.
Hot Shot Secret, powered by science.